Hey everyone, I am Radhika Mangal and welcome to Cook with radssRadhika. So today our niche is all about how I got into the company secretaryship, where I am sharing my personal story that put me into this prestigious professional program. So let's begin. I remember it was the time when my 12th exams got over. And like every other aspirant, I too was searching for my aspirations. And suddenly, on one day, I met with one of my friends and asked from her, "So, what's your plan to do next?" And then she immediately replied, "Radhika, I just came back from the cyber cafe after filling up the CPT entrance exam form, and I'm thinking to pursue the company secretaryship." And in the midst of the conversation, she told me that only one day left for filling up that exam form. You know, guys, when I opted commerce in my 11th, I was very much clear and pretty sure in my mind that I'll not go with the CS or C or any kind of professional course. And I remember that I've told this to each and every family member of mine. But I guess something else written in the destiny. So after coming back home that day, I met with my friend, had a kind of a conversation with my mother. I narrated the whole incident to her. And in the midst of the conversation, when I told her that only one day left for filling up that exam form, Mama, she immediately tried to please me so hard that Radhika just filled up that exam form and be on a safer side. But I refused the same because I want to do something else. I don't want to pursue these kind of professional courses. And suddenly, on that day, one of my cousin brother called me up, who also just cleared his 12th exams. And this time, my mother picked up the call. And she immediately asked from him, "So what's your plan to do next?" And guess what? He replied the same, that I'm thinking to pursue the company secretaryship, and so I've recently filled up the exam form, the CPT exam form. And after listening this, my mother boosted up herself so much like a pro. And at the end, she succeeded, and me, out of no curiosity and zero excitement level, just filled up that entrance exam form and entered into the CPT level. And finally, I passed that CPT entrance exam form and entered into the company secretaryship. So what's my routine and what challenges have I faced during this company secretaryship professional course? I'll share with you in the next video. As of now, I can say I feel proud on my mother's decision for motivating me throughout this beautiful, enchanting CS journey. So that's all with my personal story, how I got into this company secretaryship. Thank you.